Hey, Mrs. Conlon here. We're going to draw a really easy rubber duck today. So we're going to start with the head. It's a circle. Then I'm going to do the body. I'm going to do a U and then come across. So here's my body. I did a U and then I went across. I'm going to give him a beak. It's like a sideways V. I'm going to put a little line in it that shows where it opens. I'm going to give him an eye and draw a circle. And then I'm going to draw a little C in that circle so it looks like he's looking. You could do a different eye if you'd like. Then I'm going to give him a wing. That's pretty much your duck. If you wanted to add some of your own details, you can add water, clouds, and you can think about the characters from the story. I thought about maybe a dolphin, an octopus, a whale. So you could draw other characters too. Have fun!